In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently convert footnotes to endnotes and vice versa in Microsoft Word, a powerful tool that many of us use for our everyday document needs. Understanding how to manage your footnotes and endnotes can enhance not only the clarity of your document, but also its overall professional appearance. First, let's navigate to the References tab, which you'll find on the ribbon at the top of your Word interface. This is where all your footnote and endnote options reside. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Footnotes group, located conveniently within this tab. Here, you'll notice a small dialog box launcher, recognizable as a tiny arrow situated at the bottom right corner of that group. This launcher serves as your gateway to a broader set of options related to footnotes and endnotes, and clicking it will reveal the footnote and endnote dialog box. Inside this dialog box, you will see a button labeled Convert. This button is crucial because it unlocks the ability to change footnotes into endnotes, change endnotes into footnotes, or even swap them, providing you with flexibility depending on your document's needs. Selecting the Convert button will present you with three distinct options that you can choose from. If your aim is to convert all existing footnotes to endnotes, go ahead and select the first option. Conversely, if you need to change all your endnotes into footnotes, you'll select the second option. There's also a third choice that allows you to swap your footnotes and endnotes, essentially switching their positions throughout your document. This might be particularly useful if you're reorganizing the layout or presentation of your notes. Once you've settled on your desired option, click OK to confirm your choice. At this point, you'll finalize the process by clicking either Apply to execute the conversion or simply closing the dialog box if you're ready to proceed. Microsoft Word will then handle the conversion process seamlessly, adjusting your document as per your instructions. Finally, it's important to verify the results of these modifications. Switch to Print Layout View, which offers a comprehensive overview of how your notes are positioned within the document. Here, ensure that footnotes appear at the bottom of the page as one would expect, and endnotes are placed at the end of the document or the specific section, depending on your structure. This final review step guarantees that your notes not only convert correctly, but also fit the professional standard and structure you're aiming for. With these steps, you can now manage your footnotes and endnotes with confidence and ease, making your document not just clearer, but also more impactful.